Well, we're having too much fun to stop. So, hello, finally. You moved away from that doorstop. Yes, you good kittens. Good kittens. Everybody's under the cage now. What you trying to do, baby girl? What's a baby girl trying to do? Yes. Somebody's behind me. I can feel them back there. And I think that's the platinum ink female at the water dish. Yeah, looks like her. Yeah, that's her. Platinum ink male at the food bowl with Mama. Another platinum ink male at the scratching post. Eventually they'll figure out they can climb up the scratching post and get in the cage and get up on the hammock, because they really did enjoy sitting up on those hammocks. Oops, be careful. Platinum ink male. Oh, baby girl running by. Platinum ink male. Four of them right there in the shot. Yes. Platinum ink male right in front of the scratching post. Platinum solid female on the carpeted area of the scratching post. Platinum ink female behind the litter pan. Now in the litter pan. Little bunny. Little bunny rabbit. Platinum solid female right here. Here's a baby girl. Here's a baby girl. Yes. That's a good girl. Can you look at the camera? Can you look at the camera so we can see you? Oh, here I am. Here I am. Platinum solid female. Yeah, I'm going to have to put colored collars on each kitten so I can refer to them as like blue collar or pink collar. That way you'll get a feel for the individual personalities in the litter. Oops, we're going crazy. There goes Van Gogh into the bathroom area, the water closet. He's back there messing with something. Hello, baby girl, little platinum ink female. Platinum ink male. Another platinum ink male trying to climb. Say, we're just having too much fun. Whoa, we're just having too much fun being a kitten. They said all this freedom to run, they don't know what to do, what to do with themselves. Gotta work on the braking, baby girl. Aw, look who's here. Let's see, this is... Who am I? Who am I? I'm a sweet kitten. It's a platinum mink boy. It's a pretty boy. Oh, sure. He wants to be petted. He wants to be petted. Yes. Fat platinum mink boy. Oh, he's pulling. Pulling in the air. He's up around my neck now. He's a Velcro kitty. He clips on like Velcro to my shirt. He's one of those Velcro kittens. Yes, he is. Okay, well, we're going to say goodbye.